If you've been wondering why Alex Syberia Designs hasn't had a new release in a few months, it's because they moved. So their warehouse closed in December, but the good news is they're having a big grand opening with an amazing summer release. Hi everyone, I'm Rebecca Keppel, and in today's video, I'll be sharing the supplies from this new release. This is going to be a slightly different video. I'm really just going to show you the new supplies, let you know what's available, and let you know that the shop is open for business. But you'll be seeing more videos from me featuring this new release and giving you some card ideas and inspiration using it. So let's jump right in and check out this amazing new release from Alex Syberia Designs. First up, we have Beautiful Day, and this is the Beautiful Day stamp set with a modern looking floral border as well as some gorgeous sentiments. This is the stencil, Beautiful Day stencil. You can see it's very easy to do. You just line it up and they show you a color combination that you could use as well to color in the stamped image, or to color in the hot foil plate image. So either way, those stencils will work with the stamps or the hot foil plate. And then there's dies, both for the floral border and for the sentiments and the little flowers as well. Here's what that floral border looks like when you foil it in either gold or rainbow foiling. Next up, we have Chevron Chic. You can get a cover die or a stencil or both. Now we have the Sweet Friend stamp set and dies. Look at those adorable mice. They would make such a cute little card. There's lots of fun accessories and the dies cut out everything on the stamp set, which is really nice to have. You can pop up the sentiments, you can pop up the mice as well. Here's the Heartfelt Blooms stamp set with some beautiful script fonts. There's also a Heartfelt Blooms hot foil plate and dies as well to cut out the hot foil plate image or the stamped image. Now, you could color in the stamped image with markers or whatever you want, but there is a stencil set which makes it so easy to create a colorful image of this flower grouping, and I absolutely love using those together. Here is the hot foil plate in rainbow foil and gold foil. Next, we have the Bouquet of Blessings. This is a more realistic looking flower border, some really gorgeous sentiments as well, two little flower clusters, and lots of options as far as sentiments. So there's also a stencil set for the Bouquet of Blessings, and you can color in both the border and the little corner at the bottom there. Of course, there are dies available. You can cut out pretty much everything, including the sentiments, the large border, and other items. Next up, we have the Charming Flora cover die. So it creates the A2 rectangle and then also creates the pierced design of those flowers. And I love that background. It's so delicate, especially if you use it on white cardstock as a background. It's subtle, but so pretty. Next up is the Tiny Hearts hot foil plate and the Tiny Hearts cover die. Again, that cover die will cut the A2 cardstock and will cut out all those little hearts. So I did want to show you what the cardstock looks like with the little hearts cut out. You could back it with some glitter cardstock or foil cardstock and have some shine really come through those teeny tiny little hearts. I also did want to show you how the hot foil plate creates a background. I have that Tiny Hearts hot foil plate in rainbow and gold foil. Those are my favorites. This is the Mysterious Petals die set. You can see there are layerable flowers that will stack on top of each other to create dimension and different colors for the flowers if you cut them out of different cardstocks. There's also a stem that shows you exactly where those flowers can be placed on the stems by cutting out that same shape. Next up, we have the Elegant Peony die set. So I just wanted to show you the back so you can see how easy this is to layer up. They show you exactly what steps to go, even give you an idea of a fun color combination and how to add the leaves in at the end. Next up, we have the Love Die and Love Hot Foil Plate. The Love Die comes with a shadow die that will cut out that die cut, or the hot foil plate. Same is true for the Friend die and Friend hot foil plate. That shadow will cut out either of them. So I just wanted to show you what I mean. I foiled the Love hot foil plate and the Friend hot foil plate, and I'm cutting those out with the shadow. Then on the left-hand side, you can see where I die cut in white cardstock, Love and Friend, and then placed it over a shadow of glitter cardstock. This is the Leafy die set, just two simple little leaves, but they can be added to so many different things. And I love cutting leaves like this out of gold mirror cardstock. I think they look so pretty. Next up, we have the Quirky Hearts die set. Again, this gives you quite a few more hearts than you might think. So the small one just cuts out the one heart, but all the other hearts are outlines, so you get the outline and the interior when you die cut it. This is the Mom hot foil and die set, so you get everything in one set. I'll just show you again. I hot foiled the Mom hot foil plate, and I'm using the shadow die to cut that out. Then on the right hand side, you can see the white cardstock that I die cut with the die, and then the pink glitter cardstock that I cut out with the shadow. Next up, we have the Just Because hot foil and die set. I love sentiments like this where you hot foil all the sentiments at once, and then there's one die that cuts them all out into individual strips. Love the options of all these sentiments as well. So let me just show you what I mean. I have foiled the hot foil plate in gold and rainbow cardstock, and I have an extra gold one over here. So I'm going to use one die, place it so that it is centered on both sides and above and below each of those sentiments, and then run that one die through my die cut machine over that hot foiled sentiment stack. After one pass through the die cut machine with one die, all of the sentiments are cut as individual sentiment strips. This is so easy to work with. The sentiments are easier to foil when they're all stacked together like this, and obviously they're easier to die cut when it's just one die that you have to line up. Here's a card that I made with the Heartfelt Blooms hot foil plate and stencil set, as well as the Mini Hearts hot foil plate and one of those sentiments that I just showed you in the Just Because hot foil and die set. I don't know about you, but I was super happy to learn about this new release from Alex Syberia Designs. I absolutely love their designs. They're fresh and innovative, and they're just fun. I'd love to hear if anything caught your eye today. Let me know in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe down below because I'll have more Alex Syberia designs coming very soon. As always, I want to thank you so much for stopping by and spending time with me today. Please stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you again soon. No. Okay, the cheeks. This is like number 4 or 5, so really, there's a reason why the cheeks are starting to go.